Coco Miss Amin, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, if you want to know how I create this beautiful look, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share. Thank you all and may God bless you all. Bye bye. Okay guys, let me show you how I create that beautiful look. Okay, this is how I do my lead. First of all, use your setting powder to set your eyebrow, and use your soap gel or gel to brush up your hair of your brow before the setting powder. After that, I use my concealer eye base. This concealer eye base is from Revolution. So guys, yes, after that you can use a small brush to blend the concealer, or you can use a big brush. I prefer using a big brush. That is the reason I use big brush. Okay guys, because big brush is going to make that eyeshadow, that's eye base concealer, to be smooth and look more beautiful. Because when your concealer or your eye base, whatever you apply on your eyeball, when it's not blend very well, you don't blend it very well, it's not going to come get, if you are not going to get what you want, what you need on your eyeshadow. So that this is the lighter shade of the Revolution eye base. This light shade is more better. So guys, using a light shade for eye base, it will bring pop out your eyeshadow. That is the reason. As for me, I love using light shade. I can use the dark shade to do the concealer to clean off my eyebrow, and I can use the light shade to bring out the eyeshadow. That is why I love using light shade for my eye base. Okay guys, after doing that, I use my big brush to blend it. This palette is from Be Perfect Calivan. I love their palette. Their palette is so very cute. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This is the outcome of this beautiful, gorgeous, amazing look. So beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and may God continue to bless you all. Bye bye.